What if I told you the easiest business to start today is already sitting on your laptop? In part one, we flipped real world items for fast cash, but what if you could flip digital items, ebooks, templates, checklists, and build a system that makes you $100 a day even when you're binging Netflix? This is part two, where we start with hustle and end with automation. Let's build your money machine step by step. So just like flipping real stuff, the key is demand. But instead of couches and toasters, now you're looking at self-improvement, fitness, budgeting, side hustles, relationships. Use YouTube, TikTok, Reddit, and see what people are already searching for. That's where the money's flowing. So that's the first step. You got to find your niche. The next step is you got to source PLR products, or private label rights products. Think of PLR as digital inventory that's legal to resell. You can use sites like idplr.com, plr.me, plrminds.com, and you can look for ebooks, swipe files, courses, or Notion templates, anything editable. And make sure it includes a resell license. Bonus if it's editable in Canva or Word. The next step is you just have to rebrand it. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, just repaint it. Open it in Canva or Google Docs. You can change the name, update the cover, swap in your own intro, or add a checklist or bonus page. Boom, it's brand new and you're building your brand. Once you're building your brand, that leads us to step 4. Then you have to set up your storefront. You're flipping, but this time it's automated. Upload your rebranded product to Gumroad. It's clean and simple to use. Or you can use PayHip. There's 0 upfront fees. Or you could use Etsy, great for templates and printables. You can set your prices from anywhere between $9 and $27, and you can experiment with that. Every sale gets delivered instantly, no shipping, no inventory, just pure profit. Now for the final step, step 5. Set your traffic on autopilot. This is where your hustle becomes a business. Use TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Pinterest, all free. You can post tips from your ebook or mistakes people make, or you can post your own journey flipping products. You could end your shorts with, want the full guide? Link in the bio. Your content becomes your sales funnel. No paid ads required. You can start building an email list. You can add a freebie like, download my free checklist. Now every buyer becomes a subscriber. Next thing, sell them more. Bundles, upsells, affiliate tools that will help them. You're no longer just flipping. You're building a micro digital empire. You just turned flipping into a brand. A machine that grows while you sleep. No warehouse, no employees, just you and systems. Comment down below, what would your first digital product be? And don't miss part 3, where we'll turn this hustle into a brand people trust, share, and buy from over and over again.